Hi, friends. You are going to be taking the Models to Represent Decimals quiz. Make sure that you listen to what I am telling you. I'm reading you each question, and you can pause. So make sure you push the pause button in between each question so you can write your answers and solve the problems. Here we go. Number 1. Write a decimal number that is represented by the money. Number 2. Write the decimal number for this model. Number 3. The Smith family had 2 pizzas. The shaded part represents amount of pizza they ate. What decimal represents the amount of pizza the Smith family ate? A, 1 decimal point 09, B, 1 decimal point 9, C, 0 decimal point 09, D, 0 decimal point 9. Number 4. What decimal number is shown by the model? A, 60, B, 0 decimal 06, C, 0 decimal point 60, D, 0 decimal point 066. Number 5. Joseph received the change shown after he paid for his lunch. What number does the money represent? A, 3 decimal point 24, B, 3 decimal point 43, C, 3 decimal point 24, D, 3 decimal point 34. Number 6. Piper walked 1 decimal point 43 miles on Saturday and 1 decimal point 35 miles on Sunday. Which model represents the number of miles Piper walked on Sunday? Number 7. Which of the following is in order from least to greatest? Label the models to help you. A, 0 decimal point 23, 0 decimal point 29, 0 decimal point 40, 0 decimal point 45. B, 0 decimal point 45, 0 decimal point 40, 0 decimal point 29, 0 decimal point 23. C, 0 decimal point 40, 0 decimal point 45, 0 decimal point 29, 0 decimal point 27. D, 0 decimal point 45, 0 decimal point 29, 0 decimal point 40, 0 decimal point 23. Number 8. Which of the following compares the decimal models correctly? Number 9. Which of the following compares 0 decimal point 56 and 0 decimal point 65 correctly? Number 10. Which model represents a decimal number that is greater than 1 decimal point 5? Number 11. Tucker has between $1.20 and $1.80. Which model represents the amount of money Tucker could have? Number 12. Which of the following is in order from greatest to least? A, 0 decimal point 07, 0 decimal point 55, 0 decimal point 70, 0 decimal point 72. B, 0 decimal point 70, 0 decimal point 72, 0 decimal point 07, 0 decimal point 55. C, 0.72, 0.70, 0.55, 0.07. D, 0.70, 0.72, 0.55, 0.07. You are now done with your quiz. Please make sure you go to your teacher and she'll let you know the next step on what you need to do.